on camera too. Do you know what the plan is for them? Do you know what the plan is for that welting? Not welting, bro. You know what the plan is for that welding? What? You look at the camera or what? I like that camera. Huh? On this?
Iron disc, yep.
Oh.
Whole fucking crooked eye right there, Dad. You fucked this car up. I'll start over.
Oh, I mean, is that... I mean, it gets better than that though, right?
It's probably like supposed to be like this side.
Huh?
It's probably supposed to be like this side. Well, I don't know.
Oh,
You took them off. Is that the way it's supposed to be, Scott? What's that? Short on one end like you? Yeah, there was something that was a piece where it wouldn't go all the way up. Down there. Maybe flip or something right there in the end.
Huh?
Our camera ain't working.
Yeah, it's working. Say hi. Hi, Junior. Say hi, Hugh. Working.
Fucking thing on my face.
It's not very nice. Say hi to the vlog. So as you can see, we're putting new shocks, putting all the rotors, all the calipers, brake pads. Coming along. Still gonna spray like some undercoating on it. Right, Hugh? Say hi to the camera, Hugh. I'm working on Jeep over there. I got it going on in here. But we're pushing the envelope here. We got at least a couple days to drive this thing before we take her all the way to Florida. I do got the bumper cover on. So we got new brakes, calipers, putting all new shocks, everything on it. All new tie rods, ball joints. Got a new 4-core radiator. Champion. Got rid of all the clustered up wiring harness. There's a brand new wiring harness. Fuel tank. All that. The old one, so there's a lot of rust and a lot of junk shit in it. And then we were gonna just put seat covers over top of these seats, because obviously worn down, but the rest of the interior is actually nice. It actually has newer carpet, newer dash, everything else looks good. So as long as we can get the seat covers on there, we'll be good. And we ordered brand new tires and rims for the car that'll be in today. So tonight we should have it really close, like to get a few days of driving around with the car, so that way before we take it on the Bandit run. So really excited about that. I've always wanted to go to it for a few years, and just always came up and not having the car done. But well, the car is definitely gonna be a beauty. Paint's dirty right now, but it's definitely a beautiful Trans Am to get put on. So we still got quite a bit to do. It's gonna be definitely a challenge. Challenge that we're up for. Huey, he's out there. He's gonna get it. So look at Huey. Give a thumbs up. Give Huey a thumbs up. It's like old Huey. I just have that name. I give Huey a thumbs up. And then with this one, we just gonna do the shock, and we gotta go get the wheels. And then what else?
Way better gas. And
then what about the exhaust? Have we got anything lined up for the exhaust? I know, but we're gonna have to. Are we gonna have to call and make an appointment with them?
I would take it to Muffle Man.
Well, we're gonna call them today then. I might go to Kalamazoo and then I guess I'll probably just stop by and if you need a hand or whatever. Because once you get the wheels and shit on, then well, you gotta do what, gas tank and then doing wheels.
Like,
And then they giving you the lift. After that. Huh? We'll just see what a new one would be in case we gotta go that route.
we would have to, that's an R12.
Just throw one, have them order in case they gotta take a little bit. Alright, so we're heading off. Gotta go to Kazoo. Because some of us actually have to work. We don't get to just sit around playing with cars all day. Blah, blah, blah. Be nice, but we will be stopping back and checking out Huey's progress for today. Hopefully he's actually gonna get somewhere with it. Wheels look really good on that one. On this side's our problem area. Got a rust hole in the A-arm where the shock hooks up. I don't know if you can see it. Underneath there. So you got nothing to bolt shock to. So we gotta get a new A-arm, which is gonna set us back. But it is what it is. Unforeseen thing. We just didn't notice. Other than that, car's coming along great. Good. So now we'll be check out how good the paint looks. I mean, just the body lines, everything matched up. It's perfect. It's just a mirror shine finish. Now I gotta find a set of louvers for the back window yet. And then we got graphics going on Wednesday, so we'll try to get that. The next video of us doing that, because that's one of the next plans, get the graphics on Wednesday. And after that, we should be able to move along pretty good. Just gotta do tailpipes on the exhaust. All the exhaust is good all the way back to about pretty much back doors. They put that tailpipe on, so we'll put new tailpipe tips on it. And then we also did the regular stock 15-inch rims, which I think looked good. I did debate on doing the 20-inch wheels. I don't know. Guess leave in the comments whether you think they look better with the 20-inch wheels or these factory 15-inch, which do got a set of these that we took off since these are all new. So just leaving here. So yeah, that pretty much makes it official. With needing that A-arm, that yeah, we will not be making the Bandit run, which got no one to blame but myself. I should have had the mechanical stuff done on the car before I ever took it to get the body work, which we had planned on. Just didn't realize it would need that much work. And leave in the comments, you know, what's your favorite year of Trans Am color combo? I mean, black and gold is, you know, it's the Bandit. That's what it is. You know, I mean, are you a 4-speed guy? Do you like the automatics? Probably one of my other favorite years. So I got two other favorite years really. You know, I like the GTA Trans Ams, but I really like the '89 Turbo Trans Am. The recognition that it should. I would really love to have one of those. You know, the Grand National gets all the glory, but really the '89 Trans Am has the same engine in it with aerodynamics, so I would, you know, and I would assume to be lighter. That's another favorite car of mine. And also, I love the 76. I mean, they were really pretty rare. They didn't make a whole lot of them, but they had the 455 in them. And actually, in the Bandit movie, that's actually what they actually used. Instead of the 77, they just put a 77 front clip on it, but to actually have the power that Burt Reynolds needed to do, stunt drivers, I'm guessing, to do the burnouts and everything, they had to use the 76. And that's, but I mean, that would have been like one of the last horsepower years of a car for quite a long generation after that. So, yeah, let me know. Put your comments below. Sure like to, you know, hear what you think, whether you went with the 20s over the stock, or whether you would, you know, what your Trans Am's your favorite year in color combo. So, anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Please like, please subscribe. There'll be lots more muscle car content to go. So, thanks for watching.